We created LIFT because we wanted to design a program that tackled social mobility and underrepresentation in the legal sector. LIFT itself stands for Legal Insight for Future Talent, and we're trying to connect with people who have struggled to access opportunities in the legal and wider commercial sector before, perhaps because of their background or where they grew up or their location in the UK. That's why we've set up the programme with accessibility in mind.
It's not just looking at a very narrow selection of universities or schools. It's looking to be more reflective of society.
Previously, people look at the legal sector and think that you have to fit a certain type of mould to be here. And I think schemes like LIFT can help boost people's confidence by showing them that there are people like them in firms like this.
And I think it's more of just having that beacon that people can come from those backgrounds and really show what they're worth and show what they can do in this industry, and that it is accessible to everyone.
LIFT gives you access, it gives you opportunity for people that look like me to be able to experience what the real world is like, especially in the professional setting.
I think it's very important, and I think representation is something that helps people like me when they're trying to enter the legal profession. So when we see other people who are black in senior positions in big offices like Clyde Co like this, it really does motivate us and lets us know that it's possible to actually get into these places as well.
Clyde Co is one of the few firms to offer an Insight Week such as this, and I think it really shows their dedication to diversity and inclusion.
The Insight Weeks themselves are an opportunity for the participants to gain insight into Clyde & Co and a career in law. It's an opportunity to network with professionals. It's an opportunity to build confidence in a professional environment. And for us, it's really important that they see role models and they see themselves and they start to build a network of people within the commercial environment.
I enjoyed meeting the colleagues. I enjoyed kind of interacting with the firm.
I feel like with LIFT, I was actually able to get in-depth insight into the firm, not just from associate and partner, but it went all the way down to paralegals as well, which is something I've actually never been able to do. I've actually never been able to speak to paralegals before.
I think it's interesting that we're able to speak to the partners and that we've got a networking event with some of the trainees, which gives us the opportunity to speak and learn from their experiences, the application, and how they work as a team.
I'll say my 3 highlights from the week is networking. It was engaging, and I had my first casework presentation. That was really lovely to collaborate in a team and also to present before a partner who would give you feedback.
By having a much wider talent pool, both wide and deep in terms of social background and education background, we are much more likely to get innovative thinking and flexible thinking, which is highly important to our clients.
A diverse group of people brings a lot more to the table than a group of people that all look the same and they've all got the same background.
For us to be successful, we have to have that diversity. People bring those aspects of their lives that others might not see, and it can sometimes be a problem solver.
So LIFT is something that allows you to be who you are and takes consideration of your intersectionality.
Clyde & Co are taking that extra step to ensure that it's an inclusive culture, and I think it's really empowering that the colleagues really have a passion for that.
It gives you a kind of push, to aspire to do more and for you to know it's achievable.
The feedback at the end of both weeks has been fantastic. We've all had a lot of fun, and I think the participants have certainly taken a lot out of the weeks.
It's been really rewarding, and it's nice to see people succeeding and pursuing their interest in law.
My overall experience with LIFT was amazing.
For the people that I've met, they've all tried to help with confidence, even in the first half of the day, trying to make sure that you don't feel like you have to compare yourself to anybody.
People here are actually really engaging. They really care about increasing diversity.
I know that the senior leadership team across Clyde's internationally is very committed and supportive of this programme, and I'm very pleased to be part of it.
If there's one word that encapsulates Clyde & Co for me, it's the word opportunity. This programme is all about extending opportunities to others.
It's treated me as though I belong in a professional setting. It's treated me like I'm important. I don't have to put on a different personality to fit in. I've just been myself, I've been comfortable, I've engaged, and I've taken away a lot.
It's been really insightful, it's been lovely, Just getting to meet new people, networking with fellow black peers, it's just been amazing.